Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy baby crochet blanket patterns. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts for your sweet babies. You can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Best top designs and ideas, top 50 designs and ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy baby crochet blanket patterns, beautiful knitted patterns, easy patterns. Easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and stylish crocheted baby blankets. Every design is beautiful and trendy. Every design is different one another. You can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet. Easy patterns, knitted patterns. You can easily make these very beautiful blankets for your sweet babies. If you know crochet work. Beautiful color combination contrasts, stylish designer ideas you can see, soft and beautiful crochet knitted blankets for your sweet babies you can see. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns for your sweet babies. You can see in this my video.